Thinking of traveling with hair extensions? Whether you're rocking clip-ins or permanent extensions, we've got you covered. Let's talk about how to fly with your fabulous locks and what to expect at airport security. Good news! You can wear your hair extensions, clip-ins, or permanent extensions through airport security without any issues. But what happens if the metal clips set off the alarm? If your extensions have metal clips, they might trigger the alarm. If that happens, just let the security officer know that you're wearing extensions. They may do a quick pat-down or manual inspection, but no worries, they won't ask you to take them out unless they suspect something unusual. To keep things simple, it's best to use clip-ins without metal if you can. This will help avoid any extra delays at security. Extensions are allowed in your carry-on, so feel free to pack them. I recommend rolling them neatly and placing them in a small pouch to keep them safe. That way, you can easily access them anytime during your trip. You can also put hair extensions in your checked luggage, but if they're pricey, it's better to keep them in your carry-on. Checked bags don't always get the gentlest treatment. So, can you bring hair extensions on a plane? Absolutely. Just be mindful of metal clips, and you'll breeze right through security. Safe travels and enjoy your fabulous hair wherever you go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. See you in the next video.